monkey.
Look at monkey in his little house.
Yes, dark. Oh my god, monkey. He's a cute Baba. Oh my god, you have a new house.
A new house, monkey. Monkey.
So cool.
Yeah, and it's so cool.
Tell us how you built this house, monkey.
So first I just put some walls up with Legos. Then I built
Oh,
a
he
roof.
went now.
Oh my god.
Yeah, where he went now. Look at how cool, guys. Adrian did a really nice job for monkey. So he can go inside.
Close the windows or open them. You can close the front door.
So it's like a little garage
That's
apartment.
like a garage.
Oh my god, monkey
The
gonna
windows,
be so happy.
the windows are better upwards like this, so that you can see out.
Oh my god, monkey, you're gonna have a cute house. You go spoil, monkey.
You can close the windows like this,
Oh
or
my
like
god.
this. You can put the windows in any shape or form, like that even. Let's put monkey back. Let's
Hey
see
monkey,
what
you
he
wanna
does.
go inside? Oh, you wanna go inside now? I guess he enjoying the outdoor.
Yeah, he's enjoying the outdoors.
Here you go, monkey. Show the hi, baby. Oh my god, he gonna follow you. Oh my god, monkey, you're so cute, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at monkey. God, he's growing so much. He's so tall. Oh my god. Oh my god, monkey, you're so cute, baby. Yeah, you're so cute. Oh my god. Come to your house. Come to your house, monkey. Here, monkey, come to your house. Oh my god, this is your house, monkey. That's your house, monkey. Come to your house, monkey. Come, monkey. Oh my god, you wanna come to your house? Okay, monkey, you wanna go inside your house next time? Oh no, you don't wanna be in the house. Hey, look at monkey. Monkey, where are you going? Look at monkey in your house, guys. Oh my god, it's so cool. And he just followed me. I'm trying to show you the house of monkey that Adrian made today. It's so cool. He made like a little garage for monkey. And he just followed me. He can put the door down. There you go. So cool. Oh my god. Monkey. Oh my god. Hey, I love to play with monkey. Hi monkey.
Monkey.
Oh my god. We have a new home. Hey, I make a new home for monkey. Come monkey. Go. Come on monkey. Let's see if he can go to his house. His new house. There you go. He's following you. He's following you. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh my god. He just went to his house. Oh my god. There you go, monkey. You have a new home, baby. Oh my god. You're so cute, baby. Oh, he's coming. Here we go, Papa. Your house.
Guys, Mickey's eating so cute. Oh my gosh, guys.
You like your new house, Mickey? Oh my god, this is so cute, Mickey.
So cool.
Monkey. I call him Mickey, but it's that's monkey.
I know. You always get to admit the names are almost the same.
Oh my god, he really liked the new house. It's so cool, guys. Oh my god, this is yummy. Here you go, baby. Oh my god. Mickey. Okay, monkey.
Yeah, guys, Monkey's gonna finish this whole little top. He's gonna flip it over and then take it on his feet.
Nice fun. He likes to climb, even though he can reach it, but he likes to climb. This house is so cool, guys. Okay,
Yeah,
even
has a moving roof.
Oh my God, Mickey, you have a roof in your house? Oh my God.
You can put it up so that you guys can
But
see
Mickey
him.
is not paying attention to his hobby because he's so busy, guys. Look at what he's doing. He's enjoying his meal. Oh my God. What is that, Mickey? The monkey. I keep calling him Mickey, but it's monkey, guys.
Monkey, yeah.
Oh my God, he went on the food. What you did, baby? Oh my God, you're gonna bow to food, baby. Come back. There you go. He's gonna come back. There you go. He's gonna come back.
We can store the food away.
Oh my God, monkey. Look at how cool Adrian decided to see, but he wanna go back to the food. He's looking for the food. Yeah, show him the food because that's what he wanted. That's what I want. Stop playing with Lego. Did I want my food? Did I bring my food back? Oh my God, he's so cute, baby. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I need.
That's yummy. That's what I need. That's what I was looking for this whole time.
Yeah, he's looking for his food, guys. This guy is so cute. Adrian, great
Sounds
job.
so cute, and I built it all myself. Alrighty, guys, that's it for today. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our video, guys.